Welcome to HYXiPOWER Smart Factory, where we catalyze industrial transformation through Industry 4.0. Here, we leverage digital intelligence to unlock limitless possibilities. Transitioning from conventional manufacturing to smart manufacturing, HYXiPOWER harnesses industry-leading intelligent equipment and digital management systems. Adhering to the rigorous IATF 16949 automotive standard, we meticulously oversee every step of the production process. Fueled by independent innovation, we deploy flexible and automated production models across our entire operation, establishing adaptable and intelligent production lines tailored to diverse categories and scenarios. This substantial enhancement of line utilization rates facilitates large-scale lean manufacturing, ensuring the delivery of high-quality, technologically advanced products to our global clientele. In HYXiPOWER's intelligent inverter factory, the pursuit of ultimate quality is paramount. Our rigorous testing procedures, encompassing AOI, X-ray, FCT, and ATE, ensure the stability of our products under diverse and challenging conditions. Furthermore, extensive aging tests are conducted to guarantee product quality prior to shipment. HYXiPOWER has developed a comprehensive smart logistics system that signifies a significant advancement from digitalization to smart digitalization through the integration of AGVs, cloud logistics, and shuttle storage systems. We deliver robust capabilities to enhance and expedite smart logistics operations. Through the integration of IT systems, automation upgrades, and the implementation of smart sensing technologies, we are spearheading the transformation of our factories into smart digitalization hubs. This facilitates automated scheduling, intelligent data analysis, full process traceability, and real-time quality control, enhancing the intelligence and efficiency of factory operations. Driving the transformation of smart digitalization through technological innovation, we are dedicated to creating a green future with boundless imagination. HYXiPOWER is actively aligning with national carbon peaking and carbon neutrality goals, upholding the manufacturing standard of ultimate quality, ultimate reliability, ultimate safety, empowering global customers to embrace innovative green living solutions as we collectively strive to illuminate a brighter future for our planet.